what would happen if the internet went down worldwide for 24 hours? That's the question Hedra is going to answer for us today. I haven't prepared any sources for it, haven't written a script, haven't built any images or storyboards. I just want to give Hedra this exact question and see whether it can research on the web on its own, pull the information together, build a full structure on a canvas, and ultimately turn it into a mini visual documentary. Hedra is an AI agent that doesn't just give you a plain text answer, and it's not just an image video generator either. It works inside a workspace called a space, where it can research the web, analyze the information, write briefs and scripts on a canvas, build storyboards, so you could say it's kind of a mix between ChatGPT and Canva. Except it doesn't just tell you what to do, it actually does it for you. Now let's go get our answer from it. Using the link in the description, I go into their website, log into my account, and create a new space. This canvas is completely empty right now, and the only thing I'm giving Hedra is this question on my board. If the internet went down worldwide for 24 hours, what would happen? I ask it to first research the web, check reliable sources, then lay out the structure of a short mini documentary on a canvas, build the script and storyboard, and finally prepare the image and video output. The first thing Hedra did was go straight into research without me giving it any sources at all. It gathered the information itself and dropped a nearly organized report on the canvas for me. And there's this interesting feature called skills, basically ready-made repeatable workflows like for research, brief building, storyboard design, or generating visual assets. So I don't have to manually tell it every single step separately. It figures out on its own, based on what I asked for, what steps need to happen. Here's the menu too. You can see skills like add visuals for making ad assets, animate for bringing a still image to life, audience profile for understanding your target audience, background for changing backgrounds, campaign brief for building a campaign brief, and even change lighting for adjusting the lighting, plus a bunch of other examples. At the bottom of the report, it also listed the sources it used for research, so I can check where each claim came from. So after the research, script, and mini documentary structure were ready, there's another important feature: connectors. Here I can connect Hedra to tools like Notion, Google Docs, Google Drive, Slack, Gmail, Google Sheets, and a few other services, meaning Hedra doesn't just work inside one closed page, it can talk to other tools and move information between them, which can make it a lot easier to move your work forward. For more technical stuff, Hedra also has access to a sandbox environment, meaning within the same workflow it can run code and handle things like file processing, format conversion, or some technical image video edits without me having to move the project to a separate environment. I can even save and schedule some workflows to run automatically. For example, at a set time it can check for new information, build a report, or drop the output into one of the connected tools. So then I told it to move to the next step, and it started generating images. It asked me whether it should generate that image with these specific details, and I approved it. Here I can review and fix each image separately, or use the generate all option to build every storyboard shot at once. And here are the initial images it made based on the storyboard. Now before moving into the video stage, I can review each shot, and if the angle, lighting, or details aren't right, I can just change that one image. After all that, I tell it to move to the next step, and it brings up the specs for the shots that are about to become video. I can change the video generation model. It basically uses almost all of the top current models. I set the video quality and the video size or dimensions, and just wait for it to get the outputs ready for me. The generated videos are also neatly placed next to their corresponding frames on the canvas, so I can play each shot right there and compare it with the original image. If I'm not happy with the camera movement or the result of one of the shots, I don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. I just select that one shot, change the camera movement or its description, and generate it again. After the image and video are ready, ready, I can take the narration Hedra wrote in the script and fit it into the voice generation section and pick a suitable narrator voice for it. I just type all of this into a text message for it and it brings up the voice creation menu for me. Here I can pick the voice I want, edit the text, and then hit approve to generate the audio file. And here's the output. Also, if the project has a speaking character, the lip sync feature lets you sync the generated voice with the character's lip and facial movements. So by this point it had written the script for me, designed the plan, built the shots and turned them into video, and finally generated the voiceover too. And that's the final output of the project.
Billions of smartphones, billboards, and smart devices.
So up to this point, Hedra started from one simple question, went and researched the web, pulled the information together, built the script and plan, designed the storyboard, turned the shots into images and video, and in the end also created the project's narration. What matters here isn't just the final output, it's that all these steps from research to production happen together inside one space, on one canvas, and at every step I could see the result, approve it or change it. Meaning Hedra isn't just a tool for making images or videos, it's more like a creative assistant that can take your raw idea and turn it step by step into a producible project. To try it for free, go to hedra.com or use the link in the description to get the discount code for 50% off your first month. Definitely let me know what you think in the comments, and until the next video, take care of yourself, my friend.